when the Book of Mormon misplaces the Red Sea. The Book of Mormon contains a notable geographical error, in which the Sea of Galilee is misidentified as the Red Sea, an alteration that appears in Joseph Smith's rendering of Isaiah 9 verse 1. This mistake, preserved in 2 Nephi 19:1, creates an impossible scenario, since the Red Sea lies far south of the regions described and cannot substitute for the Sea of Galilee referenced in the biblical narrative. LDS researchers have pointed out that the insertion of the single word, red, not only distorts the geography, but undermines any claim of divine guidance in the translation process. Such an inaccuracy illustrates the human origins of the text and challenges assertions of revelatory precision.